Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete threads on Discord. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Deleting a thread in Discord is easy, but you'll need to have the right permission level in order to do. It's important to understand that when you delete a thread, all of its content will be permanently removed and can't be covered. So, how to delete threads on your Discord? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now, you can just go to the server that you have created the thread. This one. As you can see, here's the thread that we just created, and now we want to delete these threads. How to do it? You can just tap on the thread, open the thread settings by tapping here. There is an option settings, you can just tap on that. You can scroll down and you'll find there is an option delete threads. You can just tap on that. Are you sure you want to delete this thread? You can just tap on yes. So now you have deleted the threads from your Discord server. As you can see, when we tap on the thread, it won't opened. So that is how to delete threads on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.